it what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. Feel the air like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Hello, tortoise.
Because I'm not alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm not alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm not alone if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm not alone if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. But give me all you got and don't hold him back. I should probably warn me, I'll be just
But
fine.
what the people were doing for hundreds of years or maybe more than that is the most scientifically apt solution for the thing. So we understood this. Then we have given some solution to that. Took a small village, about 40 families. They are called condoils, very conservative families. But then
Is it hot?
it involved active community participation. We did a pond. The idea is, in the past they used to store water above ground. Can you believe? We don't, ponds have more water stored above ground than below. How they do that? They'll put a bund. And during the rainy season, it is all deltaic area, Mahanadi Delta, Orissa, Puri and all that area is more. So they say, Maya, that water is mother. It comes and they receives it in this thing. And when the flood recedes, they put a bund and store it. Nobody was coming to help us. Then I and my friend Yugandha, he is a gold medalist from the Indian Institute of Science. And this is what you are going to do. So we took up one village and started working in it. But the men in that village were against us. Men, even few from the men. Then I and Yugandha said, what to do now? Nobody would come into that open. Because they knew what they did is wrong.
Oh.
Staying there, we were sleeping in the chamutra in the village. Koi khana nahi, this thing for 3 days. And I am the chief advisor of on behalf of Danish government to the government of Orissa.
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm not alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm not alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm not alone if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm not alone if you feel.
I planted about 150 species of trees and grasses in my farm of all medicinal value. Aromatic plant, you put it in the biryani में डालते हैं इसको, तेज पत्ता ही कहते हैं लोग. Smell it.
Life's too hard, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said because I'm not alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm not alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm not alone if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm not alone if you feel like that's what you wanna do.
Banana.
Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. The love's too high.
Lot of this thing available, coconut thatch available, all these are available. So it's not a big job.
You like Shiva?
Ah,
Shiva.
Shiva is
Shiva.
also cartoons.
yes. You like what Shiva does? And
I-
what about Chota Bheem?
Yes.
You like Chota Bheem?
And Augie
Yes.
in the cockroach.
I like Chota Bheem.
And I like Augie in the cockroach.
Because I'm not alone